Take a ride in the 2020 CX-5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio AHA, audio internet radio, Stitcher, Mazda Connect, satellite communications, cargo mat, rear floor mats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.